Hello everybody and welcome back to another action figure review. Now this is the first figure review from 2022 and we're going to take a look at the Pop Toys Witch Hunter White Shaman figure here. And well, a really cool figure, nice costume, movable eyes, Phicen body and light up effects. So let's begin with a look at the accessories. So first of all, this figure comes with the instructions to the Phicen body, but more importantly, a very detailed and good instruction to the costume, so you can see how to dress, how to install batteries and make things work here. Really cool. So you don't have to guess where to put the different armor parts. That's very nice. Besides that, we have a lot of accessories. Some headwear here, and we have two crystal balls, orbs. There is a skull here where you can put like this, and there is also a smaller one here to hold one of the crystal balls. Then we have 4 different hands, 2 already on the figure, and then these 2 hands. And we have a tool for the movable eyes, and then we have the staff here and the cloak of the figure. And besides that, as you saw in the unboxing, all the different armor parts, the leg armor and the wrist guards and the necklace, and these parts are all already in on the figure. And well, this is how it looks. And finally we have the figure stand here. It's not really interesting, but again, cool that a figure stand is included. We have 2 different light up effects here. The staff with a small button here in the back that you can push using the tool here, and then the skull lights up. And then we have the skull cup here, and it's even more easy. Just push the button here and then it lights up with a red glowing light. So another cool effect is that you can pose or move the eyes here of the figure. So what you do is remove the head and then gently remove the upper part of the head here, and then you can access these small sticks and move the eyes. You can do it with your finger if you are gentle, and you can of course also use the included tool here to create the expression that you want, like this. So move the eyes from side to side. I really like that opportunity to create a different expression, and the head here is easily removed and popped back on. If we move in closer, I think Pop Toys did a great job with this figure. The details on the body armor, and especially the weathering here on the cape, the cloak. If we turn the figure around, you can see this cloak is weathered, battle damaged, whatever, holes in it. Looks really good. We also have a hood with bendy wire, so you can create a hooded look for the figure. And then we also have the headwear here, the magic Shaman Helmet that you can put on the figure like this. And it's soft on the inside, so it won't scratch the figure, and it goes on and off very, very easy. So this is what the Shaman Witch Hunter looks with the helmet. And here a close look at the cape with the bendy wire hood, the shoulder pads, and weathering here on the back. It's a really nice piece. And here we have the figure without the cloak, holding the skull staff. So as I said, a real great looking figure. It's a bit more anime type looking than realistic when it comes to the head sculpt for my taste, but it's a matter of personal preference. I still think the figure looks good, and you can create a lot of different poses. I'm not going to talk much about the articulation. If you are familiar with the Phicen bodies, you know that these bodies can do all types of realistic movements, and of course this Phicen body here is no exception, so you can get pretty much any pose you like. Just don't leave it posed in extreme poses too long, because it might damage the figure. So for now, I'm going to leave you with my opinion about this figure, and then I'll conclude this review. The Witch Hunter White Shaman is my first Pop Toys figure, and if you're into fantasy type characters like I am, then go for this figure. There are a lot of great details with light up effects and movable eyes, and most importantly, several different display options. So you can really have a lot of fun with this figure, and it seems solid and well made. So thanks a lot for watching this review. Leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.